Hello and welcome to the latest dairy market update. Today we're kicking off the new year with our market outlook for 2021. We're currently expecting GB milk production for the 2021 calendar year to total 12.59 billion litres, up 0.5% on 2020. The restrictions put on production last spring are not expected to be repeated this year, due to the difference in lockdown timing and as the industry has adapted since last year. However, this will still be a key watch point. When the lockdown is eased, staff absenteeism due to sickness, and the strength and timing of the flush could all put strain on processing capability. The demand side of the market will be highly dependent on pandemic restrictions. We expect lockdown conditions for the rest of Q1, followed by gradual easing through to relative normality by the end of the year. While tight restrictions persist, we expect elevated retail demand to continue. Then, once things start to ease, out-of-home demand should rise. On the trade side of things, the agreement with the EU is very positive for dairy, as the vast majority of our trade is with EU countries. However, there is now additional trade friction from new requirements for paperwork, health certification, etc. This will add extra time and cost to trading. This is of particular concern for cream and skim concentrate, as the short shelf life of these products means there is limited time to procure the necessary paperwork to export. On a more global level, demand for imports is mixed, depending on the virus and economic situations of each country. Global milk supplies are forecast to have modest growth in 2021, which, in line with demand recovery as the year progresses, should keep world markets broadly in balance. Overall, the expectation is that 2021 will be a more positive and less disruptive year than 2020, but of course everything is relative. The road out of the coronavirus pandemic is clearer now, but it's still a bumpy road. Thanks for watching. For more information on everything I've discussed here, and for outlooks for our other sectors, our full agri-market outlook is available on the AHDB website.